I'm happy. And let me also use this to tell some people. These days I've been watching, I don't used to watch Arise television, but these days I've started watching. I don't see anybody again there. They're not talking about me again. All of them. There's one who from Edo, they say his name is Dele Momodu or where. Professional praise singers. Now, in his state, he couldn't produce one National Assembly member, one. In his state, he couldn't make his presidential candidate to win 25%. These are people who have the freedom, effrontery, to appear on a free television media to talk about Rivers State. Appear when again free now. Look at that appear. Me 3/3, you 0/3. Is it the same thing? Is it the same thing? Your mother asks you, how's the result? Mama, very, very well. That's your one. How is the result? Mama, I know well that time. You know very well. Is that the answer? Because you failed and failed woefully. 0/3. My own 3/3. The difference is clear. On Saturday again this week, we'll score another one. We'll score another one. And we'll take all the 32 seats. 32/32. What do they want to do? They want use us to shine. Far. When you can't use yourself to shine, it is we you want to use. Look at that. One APC man from Rivers, when in the talk say, since I born. And so I want to say, since I was born, say, since I born. You know, since I born, I've never seen a thing like this. You know, God gave you an opportunity, you threw it away because you have professional praise singers who don't even know where their polling units are. Time to bring result, they have changed to Students' Union, Labor Union.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.